If you've just opened WhatsApp and you're seeing a message saying this account can no longer use WhatsApp, take a breath. This is happening to a lot of people right now, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do, what your options are, and what happens to your chats. Here's what the ban screen looks like. You open WhatsApp, and instead of your chats, you see a message that says this account can no longer use WhatsApp. Underneath it, it says chats are still on this device, and there's a button that says request a review. This can happen completely out of nowhere. Some people are getting banned with no warning at all, even if they haven't done anything wrong. So why does this happen? There are a few common reasons. First, if you've been using an unofficial version of WhatsApp like GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Plus, that's a guaranteed way to get banned. Second, mass messaging. If you've been sending bulk messages to numbers that aren't in your contacts, WhatsApp system flags that as spam. Third, this is catching people out. Linked meta accounts. If your Instagram or Facebook got banned, that can trigger a WhatsApp ban too, because they're all under the same meta umbrella. And fourth, sometimes it's just a bug. People have been banned and then automatically restored within a few hours. Step 1. On the ban screen, tap the green button that says request a review. WhatsApp will review your account. In many cases, people are getting their accounts back within a few hours of tapping this. Some get a response within minutes. If the review is successful, your account is restored with all your chats intact. Step 2. If the in-app review doesn't work, email WhatsApp support directly. Send an email to support@whatsapp.com. Include your phone number with the full country code. So for UK numbers, that's +44. For US, that's +1. Explain that you believe the ban was a mistake and ask them to review it. You can also fill out the contact form on their website at whatsapp.com/contact. Step 3. If the review comes back saying your account violated the terms of service and can't be restored, you have two options. First, wait 60 days. After 60 days, the ban expires automatically and you can re-register your number with a fresh WhatsApp account. Or, second, if you need WhatsApp urgently, register a temporary SIM card as a new number in the meantime. You can switch back to your original number after the ban expires. Here's the good news. Even when your account is banned, your chat history stays on your device. If your account gets restored, all your messages, photos, and groups come back exactly as they were. But just in case, make sure your WhatsApp backup is turned on Android. It backs up to Google Drive. On iPhone, it backs up to iCloud. That way, even if you have to register a new number, you won't lose everything. So to recap, 4 things. Number 1, tap request a review on the ban screen. Most people get their account back within hours. Number 2, email support whatsapp.com with your phone number and country code. Number 3, if the review fails, wait 60 days for the ban to expire automatically. Use a temporary SIM if you need WhatsApp urgently. And number 4, your chats are still on your device. Back them up to Google Drive or iCloud. The main thing is don't panic. Most people who request a review get their account back, and even if you don't, 60 days is the maximum. If this happened to you, drop a comment and let me know how it went.